Hey everyone, welcome to Amsterdam. This is a city where water is everywhere, weaving through its very heart and soul. The canals here are like the city's veins, flowing with history, charm, and a unique vibrancy. They reflect not just the sky, but also the city's rich and fancy past, full of stories and secrets. Get this, there are over 60 miles of canals and 1,500 bridges, each one with its own tale to tell. These canals aren't just pretty, they are the lifeblood of Amsterdam, telling the story of how the city grew and thrived. They whisper secrets of trade, of busy merchants, and of a city that was built on water, thriving through the ages. And those cute houses along the canals? They've seen it all, from the golden age of trade to the modern hustle and bustle. At night, the canals transform into a magical scene, with lights reflecting off the water, creating a mesmerizing view. Whether you're taking a boat ride or just strolling along the banks, the canals of Amsterdam offer a unique and unforgettable experience. Amsterdam's canal ring is so special, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Imagine Amsterdam way back in the 1600s, totally packed with people. They needed more space. So, what did they do? They dug these huge canals around the old city center by hand. This super smart plan turned Amsterdam into a World Trade Center. Warehouses popped up along the canals, holding stuff from all over the world. Today, those warehouses are cool apartments, museums, and restaurants. Pretty cool, right? When you're in Amsterdam, you absolutely have to check out the canals. They are the lifeblood of the city, weaving through its heart and soul. A canal cruise is like a floating tour. It's a unique way to see the city from a different perspective. You'll go under bridges and see houseboats. People actually live on those. It's fascinating to see how these floating homes are part of everyday life. Or if you want to be more active, rent a bike. Amsterdam is known for its bike-friendly culture. Riding along the canals is the best way to feel the city's energy. The breeze, the views, and the vibrant atmosphere make it unforgettable. Stop at a cafe, grab a coffee, and watch the boats go by. It's a perfect way to relax and soak in the local culture. Remember, in Amsterdam, biking isn't just how you get around, it's how you live. It's a lifestyle that blends seamlessly with the city's rhythm. Start your canal adventure at the Canal Ring, the main part of the canal system. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a marvel of engineering and beauty, with its concentric arcs of waterways that date back to the 17th century. As you glide along the canals, you'll be surrounded by stunning architecture, charming houseboats, and vibrant city life. Don't miss the 9 Streets, De Straatjes, a cute neighborhood tucked between the canals. This area is known for its picturesque streets and bridges, offering a perfect blend of history and modernity. It's a great place to wander and discover hidden gems. You'll find unique shops, art, and cozy cafes. From vintage boutiques to contemporary art galleries, there's something for everyone. Take a break at one of the many cafes and enjoy a coffee while watching the world go by. Want to see how locals live? Go to the Albert Kuip Market, a big outdoor market along the Albert Kuipstraat Canal. This bustling market has been a staple of Amsterdam life since 1905 and offers a wide variety of goods. Try Dutch food, find souvenirs, and enjoy the fun atmosphere. Sample traditional Dutch treats like stroopwafels and herring, or pick up a unique souvenir to remember your trip. The lively atmosphere makes it a must-visit, and when the sun goes down, find a spot along the canals. The city takes on a magical glow as the sun sets, casting a warm light over the water and buildings. The lights reflecting on the water are pure magic. The illuminated bridges and buildings create a fairy tale atmosphere, making it the perfect end to your day in Amsterdam. Whether you're on a boat or strolling along the banks, the nighttime views are unforgettable. Explore the magic of Amsterdam's canals. Start your journey today.